Magandang hapon po ng September 14, 2024 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng September 14, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, September 14, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for September 14, 2024, Saturday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 29.7 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 12 million pesos for Saturday, September 14, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for September 14, 2024, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.